Introducing the Mira Carpet Cabler, the innovative machine for creating high-quality carpet yarns. What is direct cabling? It's a single-step process that wraps two yarns together for balanced filament yarns, perfect for BCF, bulked continuous filament, carpet yarns. This method offers excellent coverage and boosts your productivity. Why choose Mira? We are a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty cabler twister machines, trusted by carpet and industrial yarn producers worldwide for their premium quality. Our machines are built to meet international standards. Satisfied customers around the globe. We have a strong presence in India, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Brazil, South Africa, and more, with a track record of happy customers. Powerful performance. Achieve speeds up to 120 mpm. Spindless reach speeds of up to 8000 mpm. Individual spindle tape drive system optimizes performance. Modular construction minimizes setup time. Produce high-quality, cost-effective yarns for carpets and other industrial applications. Lowest energy consumption in its class. Outstanding cost-performance ratio. Technical specifications. Handles yarns up to 12,000 denier. Creates up to 3-ply yarns. Works with PP, PA, PES, PET, and BCF yarns. Ideal for textured, BCF, and staple carpet yarns. Popular product configurations include 1002, 1202, 1502, and 2400/2. Fully inverter-controlled drive system. Individual spindle tape drive system, the key to efficiency. This innovative system offers unmatched reliability and perfect synchronization across all spindles. Significant energy savings. Automatic spindle stoppage for individual yarn breaks, minimizing waste. Higher speeds and denier for maximum efficiency. Individual spindle control for additional production control. Packed with user-friendly features. Designed with your needs in mind, this machine is fully automatic and loaded with features. Lowest energy consumption for cost savings. High productivity to maximize your output. Easy to operate for minimal training time. Intuitive touch panel control. Effortlessly adjust settings like twist amount, spindle speed, crossing angle length, and timed shutdowns. Individual length counters for precise monitoring. Store production parameters for quick retrieval. Generate advanced reports on delivery speed, operating hours, spindle-wise breakage, production operator efficiency, and more. USB connection for data export. Simple operation for maximum efficiency. Easy to use buttons for start, stop, emergency stop, air threading pressure, SZ twist selection, and yarn breakage handling. Air threading system. Significantly reduces setup time. Additional features. Bunching for transfer tape. Hysteresis brake. Energy saving spindles. Convert between direct cabling and twisting. The hollow shaft spindle allows for effortless conversion between the 2-for-1 method and the cabling method. Package conveyor belt. Streamlines the handling of finished yarns. Ready to take your carpet yarn production to the next level? Contact Mira today. Email us at sales@mirand.com to discuss your specific needs and learn more about our carpet cabler.